Crypto mining has been a pretty normal and overlooked activity in the world that is being practiced daily, but there are rising concerns and allegations from different corners of the world against this practice. Let's see why. Hello Cavaliers of Crypto and welcome to AB Crypto, where we take a simple approach to break down the latest and most educative topics about the cryptocurrency market. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _AB_crypto_, and if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. So let's get started. Many people around the world are afraid of this increasingly rising crypto activity, and there has been lots of pressure from the general population to the governments of the world to stop crypto mining. This can be seen all over social media and even in public demonstrations. Governments around the world are concerned about this issue, and some, like China for example, have imposed a total ban on crypto activities in their nations. So, why is this all happening? First, there have been complaints from a majority of the world's population that crypto mining is a threat to the environment. Cryptocurrency is quickly arising as a heavy greenhouse gas emitter, contributing to air pollution and water pollution. Let's use Bitcoin as an example here, the world's largest cryptocurrency. We all know that Bitcoin is a popular investment vessel that has propelled it to be in high demand. Now, how does Bitcoin mining accelerate pollution in the environment? The cryptocurrency mining and transaction method used by Bitcoin, where supercomputers solve arbitrary and highly complex mathematical problems to create the currency, are highly energy intensive, requiring significant amounts of computational power. So, to fuel their high energy needs, Bitcoin mining facilities have begun stationing themselves in old or underused power plants, utilizing the leftover energy infrastructure to fuel their high energy needs, which in turn releases a high production of carbon emissions that negatively affect the planet through the greenhouse effect. And not only that, these carbon emissions have raised public health concerns. It is said that the emissions emit toxic chemicals in the air which cause respiratory and cardiovascular problems to individuals in neighboring areas. From our investigations, we also noted that people were sick of the high transaction costs that they underwent while mining. And when we refer to costs, we mean things like energy prices, transaction fees, and even time. When crypto mining first began, the first miners didn't have a problem with mining because it was very easy. The blockchain network didn't have many users, and miners used mainly their personal computers to do the mining. In 2020, there were not many miners who mined on their own because as the network grew, so did the competition. Also, the difficulty level in mining increased because it grows based on the total computing power on the blockchain network. Not only that, but a lot of people have also complained about the insecurity that comes with crypto mining. Now, this actually is one of the main reasons why many governments are thinking about ending crypto mining. The rise of illegal crypto mining hijackers has been on the rise lately, posing a threat to millions of people who have already invested in crypto platforms. Karthik Selvaraj, a security research director at Microsoft, said that as cryptocurrency grew in value, some attackers were turning to cryptocurrency over other potential ransoms. He also added that cryptocurrency was here to stay, which unfortunately paves the way for crypto thieves. Another individual, Yoisai Tong, a cybersecurity firm Kaspersky's general manager for Southeast Asia, pointed out that as Bitcoin prices soared back in September of 2021, the number of users encountering crypto mining threats had reached nearly 150,000, which was the highest it's ever been on a monthly level. With all this going on, cryptocurrency mining skepticism has been on the rise. But please remember that current developments like proof of stake that the crypto world is trying to implement will help sort out these potential problems. Well, this brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.